In this short demo, I would like to show you how to do some of the very simple configuration activities. We're going to change the instrument index dialog. We're going to remove the secondary marks line for the auxiliary, and we're going to expand the location text box. Going down to Configure on the Projects menu, Data Entry, we're going to select the instrument index entry and then Configure. Every user form allows you to set up both the data and the form layout. Inside the build view, you can view tables, edit the data if you are a configurator. Regular users will not have access to this. You can even go in and modify or view the structure of the table. You can even add or remove columns from the table without going into SQL Server. This is an extremely powerful tool only used by configurators. Going to the screen, we can now open up the form in the editor. Plant 4D ENI allows you to use either Microsoft Visual Studio or Microsoft Visual C# or Visual Basic Express in order to edit the forms. Selecting the object that we want to remove, we do a right click and we hit the delete button. The location, we can select the text box and we can resize it. We will now build the form again. This is the way that any configurator can change the layout of the data entry forms, datasheet forms, or even some of the wiring forms. Having built successfully the new form, all we need to do now is select it inside Plant 4D. Note that the name of the instrument index has a date timestamp. The new version will have a new date timestamp, overwriting the previous one. It now just remains for us to go out of the configuration dialogs and back to the data entry menu to launch the new instrument index form. We can now see the modifications